So our theme is to go beyond. And I think, there's a Chinese proverb, may you live in interesting times. And these are interesting times, and we will say they're interesting because we have the cloud, or AI, or, some strange politicians in power around the world. And it isn't any of that, I don't think. And I think at Stebo Systems, we're one of many companies figuring this out. So to explain what I'm going to talk about and the journey we're going to go on for the next hour, just a show of hands, who has children? Aren't they wonderful and annoying? And wonderful and annoying. So I'm very lucky that I have two sets of children. I have two beautiful girls who are grown up now, 26 and 29. And I have two little ones. Hudson was 11 on Saturday, and Olivia is 10. And as you're struggling through with little children, it's hard to figure out what the purpose is. We just did children because everyone does children. But then when I look at my older daughters, it's like seeing the finished product. And I look across at them, and they are absolutely incredible human beings. Of course, I would say that I'm their dad, but they are. They're smarter than I am. They're better than I am. They're stronger emotions, more resilient, more tuned into the world. And you realize the purpose of children is to make better people. Anyone agree with that? We want our children to be better than us. We don't make it easy for them. Well, And if you take that paradigm into what we do, 40 plus hours a week, we work in business. And why do we work in business? For growth and for profit and win customers. I think we can go beyond that. I think we can do all of that. And we can also, importantly, make this a better world. I think we can. And we have a great example on stage a little later of a company that is doing this. And we, Stebo Systems, in our own tiny little Danish way, are set on a path. So Stebo Systems is a business with a conscience. And I'm going to talk to you about what that means and why that's important to you. It also makes us quite unique. In our industry, it makes us very unique. Unique. I don't need to say very unique, it's just unique. There is unique. We're a team of passionate people at Stebo Systems. We're designing and delivering data management products to empower better decisions for spectacular customer results. That's you. Leading to our own sustainable growth. And as a business with a conscience, we believe we have a responsibility to go beyond. So a business with a conscience. We have 3 strategic beliefs that we're going to focus on this morning. And I'm going to invite some friends on the stage so you don't just have to listen to me droning on and on and on. Our purpose is to build a better place. Stebo Systems to build a better place by building a culture of innovation, by building robust partnerships, and by having a focus on ESG and sustainability. So we took some time out to say, who is Stebo Systems? And who do we want to be? So you might call it a vision. You might call it a mission. Or today, the trendy thing would be a purpose. But you know what we call it? We call it our story. And if you have the chance to visit us at our headquarters or any of our major offices, you will see this emblazoned around the building. Because we believe this. And what you see here is our foundation at the bottom, which developed and creates our core values, which are good values, and our ESG strategy, and on top of that, our business plan. And here are some words. Stebo Systems is a business with a conscience. We'll build a better place through robust partnerships and a strong culture of innovation, and by taking a bold stance on sustainability. We are a team of passionate people, designing and delivering data management products to empower better decisions for spectacular customer results, leading to our sustainable growth. Better data, better business, better world. Because of this platform and because of this belief in this as our vision and our mission, that's why we believe we can go beyond with you. Thank you.